This is the BMW X5 E70, a luxury SUV that turns heads with its bold design and powerful presence. On the outside, it looks flawless, sporty, elegant, and very commanding on the road. But behind the beauty, many owners have faced some serious challenges. Let's start with the engine. While it offers good performance and smooth acceleration, some E70 engines are notorious for oil leaks, cooling system issues, and high fuel consumption. These problems often show up after a few years of use, meaning frequent visits to the workshop and hefty repair bills. The transmission is another concern. Some owners have reported jerky shifts or delayed responses, especially in early production models. If you love smooth automatic gear changes, this can be frustrating. Moving on to the electronics. This is where the E70 often gives headaches. Power windows, central locking, seat adjustments, and infotainment screens can fail unexpectedly. Sometimes a single malfunctioning sensor can cost hundreds of dollars to repair. Owners often say, "It's like playing Russian roulette with the electronics." However, it's not all bad. The interior comfort is still excellent. Leather seats, premium materials, and advanced features make it one of the most comfortable SUVs for long drives. The driving experience itself, precise steering, stability, and road presence, remains impressive, which is why people still love BMW despite the problems. So, should you buy one? If you're considering the BMW X5 E70, make sure to check the service history, verify all electronic systems, and be prepared for potential maintenance costs. It's a car that looks amazing and drives well, but its problems can drain your wallet quickly. Many owners who thought they were getting the ultimate SUV ended up regretting their choice. In short, stunning design and comfort, but technical issues and expensive repairs are very real. If you decide to get one, be smart, do your research, and be ready for the realities behind the BMW badge. This is the Volkswagen Passat B6, a car that looks sleek and refined, a favorite for families and professionals alike. On the outside, it appears reliable and stylish. But many owners have discovered that beneath its polished design, the B6 can be quite tricky to maintain. Let's start with the engine. While some B6 engines are solid, others are prone to oil leaks, overheating, and timing chain issues. These problems can appear sooner than expected, especially if the car hasn't been properly maintained. Repair costs can add up fast, turning what seemed like an affordable sedan into a very expensive investment. The transmission is another common headache. Automatic DSG gearboxes on some models may experience jerky shifts, hesitation, or even complete failure if not serviced regularly. This can be frustrating in city traffic or long highway drives. Next, the electronics and interior systems. Passat B6 owners often report problems with dashboard sensors, climate control, central locking, and infotainment units. Small glitches, like a failing window switch or sensor error, can sometimes cost hundreds of dollars to fix. Despite these issues, the driving experience is smooth and comfortable. The B6 offers a solid ride, responsive handling, and a quiet cabin, making it a pleasant car for daily driving. However, the frequency of maintenance and repairs is what often leads owners to say they regret buying this model. So, should you consider a Passat B6? If yes, make sure to check the full service history. Pay attention to the gearbox and electronics, and be prepared for possible repair costs. It's a car that can look reliable and drive nicely, but hidden problems may surprise you and hit your wallet harder than expected. In short, stylish and comfortable, yet maintenance-heavy and sometimes unpredictable. Always do your homework before buying a Passat B6. This is the Fiat Punto, 2007 to 2010, a small and economical city car. While it's compact and fuel efficient, many owners face frequent engine problems, overheating, and oil leaks. The electronics can also fail, including dashboard and central locking issues, making repairs costly. This is the Volkswagen Passat B6, a car that looks sleek and refined, a favorite for families and professionals alike. On the outside, it appears reliable and stylish. But many owners have discovered that beneath its polished design, the B6 can be quite tricky to maintain. Let's start with the engine. While some B6 engines are solid, others are prone to oil leaks, overheating, and timing chain issues. These problems can appear sooner than expected. Suspension problems can make the ride uncomfortable, especially on rough roads. Despite being easy to park and cheap to run, the maintenance and reliability issues make many owners regret buying it. If you're thinking about a Punto, check the service history carefully. Small car, big problems. Buyer beware. Jeep Grand Cherokee, 2011 to 2013. Short voiceover script. This is the Jeep Grand Cherokee, 2011 to 2013. A powerful SUV with a bold and rugged design. But beneath its tough look, many owners report engine and electrical problems, including frequent warning lights and sensor failures. The transmission can also act up, causing jerky shifts or delayed response. Fuel consumption is high, and repairs can be very expensive. While it offers excellent off-road capability and comfort, the maintenance issues make some owners regret buying it. If you're considering this SUV, check the service history carefully. Strong and stylish, but costly to maintain. Land Rover. Range Rover, 2010 to 2015. Short voiceover script. This is the Land Rover Range Rover, 2010 to 2015. A luxury SUV known for its style, comfort, and off-road capability. However, many owners face frequent mechanical and electrical problems, including engine faults, air suspension failures, and dashboard warning lights. Repairs and spare parts are very expensive, making maintenance a major concern. Despite its premium interior and smooth ride, these reliability issues often lead owners to regret their purchase. If you're thinking about a Range Rover from this period, check the full service history carefully. It's a beautiful and capable SUV, but costly to maintain. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.